metalheads out there, how are you feeling? Are you ready to talk about Black Sabbath's final gig? Hi everyone, welcome back to Trending Now. This is your host Sangamita, and before we get started with today's very bittersweet video, please make sure you like, share and comment on today's video, and also subscribe to Radio 1 International. It would mean so much to me. And let's get started with today's video. So Black Sabbath's final gig, Ozzy Osbourne's final performance ever. How did this hit you guys? Because I did not process this well. So Ozzy Osbourne was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, and since then he had always wanted to do one final Black Sabbath performance. So they had been talking about this for a while, and now it finally happened. And it was just so bittersweet. It was a hard watch for me. We saw over 40,000 fans gathered, and Ozzy was sitting on this black throne because of his medical issues. He couldn't stand up, and they performed 4 songs: Iron Man, War Pigs, NIB and Paranoid. And it was just so hard for me to watch them perform these songs because, you know, this signifies the end of Black Sabbath, the end of Ozzy Osbourne, and I was just not able to digest that. And when they performed Paranoid, I just broke down crying because you can see Ozzy just struggling to get through the song. It wasn't a spectacular show. It wasn't their greatest performance, but it was a monumental performance because this signified the closing of a chapter, the closing of Black Sabbath, the band that literally defined an entire genre of music and just inspired a string of bands under them. Now, this was also the first time in 20 years that the entire band had come together to perform. And let's talk about the lineup. Like, this lineup just made me combust. Like, I could not process this. We had Metallica, Guns N' Roses, Slayer, the Rolling Stones, Aerosmith, Blink-182, Slayer, Alice in Chains, Smashing Pumpkins, Rage Against the Machine, and a lot more. Like, I'm not even covering all of them here, but this lineup just meant so much to me because all of these bands, including Black Sabbath, just changed the course of my life. So this entire event, you know, watching Black Sabbath perform, watching Ozzy perform, watching all of these other bands perform Black Sabbath songs was just so special to me, and I was just trying not to cry the entire time because of how much all of these bands, including Black Sabbath, means to me. Now, apart from that, we had Jason Momoa hosting the entire event, and I don't think there's anybody else more apt than Jason Momoa to host this event. And we also saw video cameos from Dolly Parton, Billy Idol, Jack Black, you know, paying tribute to this final Black Sabbath performance. And this concert went on for almost a day because of all of the other bands covering the Black Sabbath songs. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Now, this is just me and my personal experience with Black Sabbath. Imagine how many metalheads there are all around this world going through the same feeling as me. The impact that Black Sabbath has had on metal and a lot of bands, and the fact that they characterized an entire genre of music is just so commendable. And this was just the most monumental thing I've had the honor to witness. So, Black Sabbath, thank you for everything. Okay, next up we have some happy news. One of the Spice Girls just got married. It was Scary Spice, aka Mel B. She got married to her hairdresser, Rory McPhee. Now, he was in a Scottish kilt, you know, like those skirts. And she was in this gorgeous pearl-embellished dress, and it was just so pretty. And she shared a couple of moments from her wedding, and it was just so cute. All of the other Spice Girls wished her the best, and one of the Spice Girls was even at the wedding. But yeah, super happy for Mel B. Okay, next up we have more music news. Oasis having their reunion. It happened on July 4th. Now, if you guys didn't already know, the brothers Liam and Noel, they had a bit of a messy falling apart. The last time they performed was back in 2009, and they played 23 songs, and fans were so moved by this concert because it was such a big deal that these brothers got back together. And a lot of them were talking about how Liam's voice hadn't sounded that good since the mid-90s. So that was also another great event that happened in music history. So let me know what you guys think about the Oasis reunion and your thoughts on this video as well. Let me know down in the comments below, and also please like, share and comment and subscribe to Radio 1 International, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
94.3 Radio 1.